Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do you do?
We gotta merge that PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay. We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard. Oh no.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral for the wrong reason.
God.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
I can't. No,
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice. Use DEVCYCLE to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, re-rolls. How do we make this into a dice pun?
All right, take two. Hello, everybody, and welcome to your favorite place on the internet. Does it toggle here on DEVCYCLE HQ? My name's Andrew. I am your resident neighborhood DEVCYCLE developer advocate. And as you can see in that brief flash that we had there for a second, I enjoy getting on here and streaming every once in a while with a lot of our friends from around the internet and beyond. So if this is your first time dropping by the stream, first off, welcome and thank you so much for being here. On these streams, these Friday afternoon, evening streams, depending on where you are, I aim to answer the age-old question: does it toggle? Can you add feature flags to a project? And the answer is almost always yes, but the silliness of watching me get there and struggle through these new frameworks live and in person, I personally think it's kind of fun. On today's episode, on today's stream, we are going to be looking at an awesome framework that I actually just found out about very recently called the Play framework. It is a Java / Scala framework for building web applications. I have always steered clear of both of those languages, but today I'm going to challenge myself to really jump in there and try some of these out. So I'm going to get some windows up here, but while I'm doing that, if you are watching today, let me know how our audio is, how the background music is. I always love to know, is everything sounding the way that it should, or is it kind of off? But let me know, throw it in the chat. I can see chat from everywhere. So if you're on LinkedIn or if you're on YouTube or if you're on Twitch, feel free to throw comments in the chat. How's my audio? How's everything sounding? I might change my background, maybe lo-fi. Yeah, there we go. We're going to go with lo-fi. I like that a little bit better. How's it sounding? Let me know. Let me know in the chat how things are sounding. And I am going to load up Play Framework over in my other window. Let's get this open here. And I'm going to get a screen share up. Screen share. Entire screen window. Let's just share the window for today. We're not going to share the entire screen yet. And here it is. This is it. This is the framework of the day, the Play framework. I'm going to change which way I'm here. Do I want to be here? Ooh, we don't quite want to be there. Maybe here. Oh, too small. Up in the top. maybe up here, maybe down here. I think we'll go down here for now. I kind of like this. I want to remove some things though. We've got different versions that I've had here from like the different streams that I've done. I feel like I've got to delete some of these at some point, but I actually don't know how, funnily enough. So let's just go back to our kind of standard format here. Like I said, if you are watching the stream, let me know in the chat how things are sounding. I'm also going to head over to YouTube and see how things are sounding over there. We're going to see what's going on. It'll be very meta. See how things are here. Content, live. Hey, there we are. How's it sounding over here for me? It sounds pretty good. I think we're good. I love it. And that's actually not too much lag either, which I'm pretty excited about. Amazing. So before we really jump into our full sort of like walkthrough of all of this stuff, just a little bit more on kind of what I mean when I say feature flags. So feature flags, if you've never heard of them before, I highly encourage you to check out feature flags, feature toggles by Pete Hodgson, published over here, the Martin Fowler, kind of walks you through exactly what feature flags are. But basically the idea here is they are a conditional statement that you put in your code. It allows for you to hide specific features and show them to specific people. So it's a conditional statement that shows something based on some sort of a configuration that you've defined. And Martin Fowler's article does a really, really good job, at kind of walking you through what these look like. Now, I work for a company called DEVCYCLE, and so if you're here on DEVCYCLE HQ, that's because I work for a company that makes a feature flag management platform, and all that really is a platform that allows for you to have a little bit more control over those targeting rules, have some more advanced features, like if you want to roll out features to specific audiences, stuff like that. This is a great platform to do that. So I work for DEVCYCLE, and then DEVCYCLE, we actually are a part of an amazing initiative called the OpenFeature Initiative. It's a project by the CNCF, which is sort of aiming to create a universal API for feature flagging. And so, yeah, you can see here, software development technique, disable change behavior, open feature, community-driven API, why standardize? There's lots of players that are out there right now, and we want it to be more accessible for people to start feature flagging, and that's really it. So that's kind of the basis of this. What I'm going to be trying to do today is I'm going to be, for the first time actually, touching Java. I think maybe in my professional career or unprofessional career, depending on which side you want to look at it as. We're going to install that. We're going to install the Play framework. We're going to kind of go through the process. We're going to install the Java SDK for OpenFeature and for DEVCYCLE. We're going to do lots of stuff. So first things first, let's close up the OpenFeature window and just have our Play docs here. Now, I do want to say the reason that we are doing this, the Play framework, is actually because I was at the We Are Developers World Congress last week. And so if you've never heard of We Are Developers, they are a community for developers. And they actually hosted last week in Berlin the We Are Developers World Congress. OpenFeature was part of the GitHub open source spotlight, as was Play. And so we were right beside each other, got the chance to meet the Play main maintainers, had a conversation there, and I was like, okay, so I love frameworks. I love MVC frameworks. I feel like this is what I need to do to really explore Java in a meaningful way. Now, I also got a couple of tips on what I should and should not do for today, which I may or may not ignore. We're going to use the docs, and we're going to go through the process. We're going to see what this looks like. I have a feeling it's going to be easier than I think, but we're going to see. So let's jump in here, read the docs, try Play. Learn whether it's right for our project, introduction, hello world tutorial. We're going to do hello world. Self-contained tutorials. Play Java, hello world. Play Scala, hello world. Pico, turn on tutorial. Please check their, okay. Hello world, so I want to do this one. To run a tutorial, follow the README instructions in short. Okay, so I'm going to go into here. I'm going to use the Java version. All right, what do I need to do? Check my Java version. Excuse me. By the way, if you're here, if you're watching and you are wanting to like be part of the conversation, please throw your name into chat, or please throw a comment into chat somewhere because I'll be watching. Let me check my Java version. Check your SBT. Okay, let's see. You don't have the required versions. Okay. Go terminal. Do I have Java? I don't think I do. I think this is, oh, hold on. I need to unshare this for a second because I actually need to share my whole screen. Present, share screen, entire screen, this guy, share screen. All right, here we go. So, here we go. Got my terminal here. And let's go and check our Java version. Let me bump this up. Okay. Could not be completed. All right, installing Java. I think I can install Java with Homebrew. Install Java Homebrew. Brew install Java. Let's see if this works. All right, no error yet, so that's a good sign. Adjust, auto updating. So I haven't used Homebrew in a little bit, so we're gonna see what happens. Not too bad, 36 outdated formulas, 3 outdated casks. I can handle that. Things are installing. If you're here, say hello. I'd love to meet you, whoever is watching today. All right. And I love that every time I do this, I'm using like light mode and people can't handle that, but I find I just have not been into dark mode that much recently. Should I hide this? I feel like I should. No, maybe I'll keep it open. All right, let's see what's happening here. We are pouring OpenSSL. I don't think that has anything to do with this. We're doing some stuff. Let me move this over here so y'all can see it. And up this. Oh, there we go. We're installing Python again, or updating Python. We are doing some stuff. Ooh, somebody's here in the comments. Who's here in the comments? Hey, Play Framework is here. Thanks for being here, Play Framework. So we are actually being graced by the presence. I mean, I like to think graced. I do feel as though when the creators or the maintainers or something are there, I think it's really powerful. So Matthias, we met last week in Berlin, and so I'm super excited that you are here. So if you've got questions or if I run into issues kind of as we go, you're going to be able to, I'll have like my support network right here. That's what I love about this framework. I think it's amazing. I love we can vamp as I'm waiting for things to install, for my Homebrew to go. What are we doing now? Have we installed Java yet? Not yet. Holy moly. All of the things are being installed right now. All of the things. Let's go. All right, what do we got now? We're reinstalling Node. We're upgrading Webpack. Things are happening. Have we gotten to Java yet? Oh, I got Elixir. I remember the Elixir adventure. That was a thing. Oh, we got a bunch of stuff getting removed. This is our old stuff. Hey, we got Java. Can I do Java? What was it? What was the command I need to do? Java version. Hold on. Java version. All right, let's see what this does. Operation couldn't be complete if you need to have open. Keg only symlinked into because macOS provides similar software and installing the software in parallel. So if you need to have open JDK first in your path, run this for compilers. Let's see if I close this and reopen it. I think it should be there. Java couldn't be completed. Unable to locate the Java runtime. What is going on? Then check your installation. So like this, but like this. Symlink for Java wrappers. Oh, I guess it told me what to do there, and then I didn't do it. Oh, as an add-on to install a certain version of Java. Can I guess I gotta do that. How to install Java at JDK. Homebrew install latest version. brew search Java, brew info Java, info Java. Where does it install? So I think this for Mac OS user findings. Okay, I think this is what I need to do. Shouldn't have deleted the thing that I did. Oh, no current job. What? Hold the phone. Paste. Hold on, me. Oh, it's probably because I need to get rid of this. Oh. Okay, let's try now. Java dash version. Operation could not be completed. This is what happens when you try and install Java on a machine when you've not done this before. We're going to see what happens. For macOS, okay, we did this. ls. Where does Homebrew install Java? See if it's here. No such file or directory. Let's see what we got in our cellar. What? This is so interesting. So that's not going to help us. Bin bash. How to work with Java. Grep OpenJDK. Brew install Java. So these you want to get installed in order to if you've done this a few times, you have different versions of Java. Let's try this. Let's do what it says here. It's going to be the setup Java on your device. Really? Did I not actually install it? Hold on. Hold the phone. Brew install Java. Brew install Java. Did I not install it or did I install it? Install Java. Ooh. Okay. What if I go Java dash version? This could not be completed. Why is it not finding it? Java homebrew. Homebrew. Operation could not be completed. Okay. Oh. No. Brew install OpenJDK for the system. Java wrappers fancy Symlink it. OpenJDK finally solved it by downloading JDK. Java version. This is what happens when you do things live. You need to deal with it. Okay. Okay. Java version already completed. Okay. Download from java.com. Download Java distribution. macOS. Should I just do this? Verify this hash, run Java, install brew. Okay, this is what I did. Sudo access, get dialog. Okay, I already did all this. Yes, yes, yes. Brew install Java. I did that. Oh, what if I do open JDK? Oh, wait, what? Before I pass on the necessary posts for sudo, brew install Java. It does not like this. Did I do this? I feel like I did this already. Yes, I did this already. Oh, I think we got it. Java dash version. Hey, let's go. All right, so we got there. We're in. I just hadn't done something. All right, and now back to here. We're going to go reinstall 22. Use to 25. 22 should work as well. It will just give a warning. We're going to see what happens. 11 or higher, SBT. Install SBT. Download SBT. SBT Homebrew? Although I'm just doing everything through Homebrew. Install SBT. Build tool for Scala projects. What version do I need? Hold on. Whoops. It should work. Let's find out. Hopefully it's built for this. Brew install SBT. Did it run it? SBT. Oh, hold on. I actually got the instructions for doing this. SBT version. I wonder if I'm going to need to determine. You gotta like refresh it sometimes. Nope. Copying runtime jar. SBT 1.9.6 or 1.9.6. Okay, I think we're good. Perfect. Okay, I think we're good. Building on the project. We use commit. Okay, let's just download this. And I know this is like the most basic version. I probably could have just like done other. I didn't need to download it, but I kind of like that it's like a standalone that I can download. Let's get Finder. Downloads. Where are you hiding? There you are. Downloads. Play samples. Okay, let's pull this over to desktop. Close that. Let's move this over and let's go ls. Am I on desktop right now? CD desktop. ls. Pokeball. None of these are what I'm looking for. Oh, there we go. CD play samples 3.0 iOS, and I want to do code dot. Oh, whoops. Code dot. Okay, so here we go. Whoa, look at all these examples. I kind of love this, actually. We got lots of examples in here that we can look at, but we're actually going to look at this one here. README. Okay. Preview this. And can I close this one now? I don't think I can. Yes? There we go. Okay, so follow the steps. We got our Java version. We got our SBT. This example is your seed template. It includes all play components and a Pico HTTP server. This project is also configured with filters for cross-site request forgery protectors. Nice. Use a command window and change. Okay. Terminal, new terminal. I mean, the instructions are good. Am I in the right place? No, not yet. ls. CD play Java. Hello world tutorial. Now we're gonna do SBT run. SBT run. I'm not intimidated yet. All right. So I feel like I have actually played. I played with Maven before. I didn't know what I was doing, but we had some. Maven really loved a previous company that I was at, our project or product. So, so by the way, if you cannot see this right now, incoming network connections. Yeah, we'll let that happen. All right. Server start. Use enter to stop and go back to console. All right. So what's going on here? And then I need to go to localhost 9000. Things are happening. Hey, let's go. Nice. Okay. So hold on. I want to move some windows around. I'm going to move things to where I'm looking at. Yeah, I do want to do this. Hold on a second. All right, let me close this. I'm going to unshare my screen for a second, and I'm going to share a new screen. Share screen. Window, enter screen, entire screen. Let's share screen 1. And then I'm going to move all of this over here, and this over here. Let's move this to here, and then this over here. Okay, and terminal I can close now. Okay, so I think I think we're here. I think we've got what we need here. So we're in here, SPT run. Welcome, play application response. Welcome to Hello World tutorial. Did it do it? What's this green thing here? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so we're here. Oh, use Pico HTTP server backend to switch to the Netty server backend. Enable play Netty server, SPD file, play firm documentation. Okay, so I mean, that's it. I mean, I kind of love this. Integrate HTTP server, form handling, build tool, Gradle. This is all foreign to me. I don't actually fully understand what I've just done here, but ARM, play slick, framework is Pico, Pico HTTP. What is Pico? It's just, oh, Apache Pico open source framework for them because a concurrent distributor reliant Elastic. Ho. Okay, twirl templates, twirl, MVC. We're gonna look in the code in a minute. Nice. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Do we have other pages? Play application overview, implementing Hello World. This short presentation tool. Create the Hello World page. Welcome. Play application overview. Sure. It's a lot of information. It's MVC. Let's look at this. Can I don't really want to see the rest of this stuff. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna hide all the other projects. Let's close this, enter. Let's cd into, wait, I might be in the right, oh, let me just go code dot. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, terminal, new terminal. And then I think, what were we doing? We were just doing like SBT run, which is super straightforward. Okay, SBT run. And then our page will be back. And this is running this. The world tutorial snapshot. Cross Scala versions. Is it Scala or Java? Is it Scala because it's like Java? I feel like the answer to that question is yes, but I really don't know. This music is a vibe. I'm getting used to it on these Friday streams. Okay, so let's bump this up and let's go full screen on this for a second. I think this is running again. Yeah, it's running again. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we've got in our app folder, controllers and views. So controller, MVC, controller, I love this, result, tutorial, views. Then we've got this index view. So this is what we were looking at before. We got this main view, index page. Main. So main is like the actual, and it's like the templating stuff. So main, index, feeds in from main, yeah. Explore, play application overview, main, hello world, common sidebar. Yeah, like all this stuff makes sense. Tutorial. Cool, and then comp, we've got like our application stuff, nothing in here. Nothing I think that I need to care about in here. Routes, this is obviously really nice. These are like super simple routes, so I should have an Explorer and a tutorial, and then there'll be an assets folder for public assets. Logs, logs. Project is cache stuff. It's very similar to Laravel, it feels like, to PHP it feels. It's all caching stuff. Plugins, play framework, don't really know what this is. This is all SBT stuff, I think. Public, this is going to be all of our, ooh, nice, all these default images. Hello custom, nice. JavaScripts. Got our main and our Prism.js. Cool. Prism.js is cool. I haven't explored it very much. Streams, web, classes, images. This must just all be compiled stuff as well. Test, all the tests. I'm gonna run tests today, the build stuff. Notice, readme. Nice. So like pretty straightforward. Like this is fairly simple. This makes me less scared of Java. Slightly less scared of Java anyways. Do you want to install the recommended extension pack for Java? Install. Now we should be getting linting, formatting, IntelliCode. Love it. Okay, so that's installing now. Red has improved extensions, except, I guess. Okay, so I need to unfull screen this bad boy, head over here, and let's see what we got to do. So we're actually going to look in our implementing Hello World. Create a new page. Follow these instructions. Create a file named hello and in views. So let's go to our views. And is it an app views? We're going to create new file, hello.scala.html. Beautiful, we did it. All right, and then we're going to save it and add the following contents. Main hello. And how does this differ from here? Oh, I guess main is just the name, and then, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, common sidebar, tutorial in HTML, the @ templating engine, main hello calls the main template, pass it hello, the content section, hello world greeting, main template, add an action method in controller. So this is just, we're adding this to the controller. All right, let's bump this up a little bit more. Hide this, hide the thing symbol. Oh, what happened? There we go. Oh, interesting. And now it's giving cannot be resolved quick fix. I don't really care. I think this is all framework specific stuff, but it's weird that it's giving. Is there play framework stuff? Hold on. I bet you there is. Play framework. Snippets. I don't think it actually really helps me though. Who knows? We're going to install these things anyway. So we're getting all these error things. I feel like this is likely just due to the way that, because there's some Scala specific stuff in here. I mean, it's all working. So, okay, so that's rendering the HTML. Hello, yes. Define a route. Conf route. Routes. And then we're going to grab this. Under the tutorial, below the tutorial. Okay, so get hello. Nice, and I like that there's some linting that just happened there too. Great, so we got get controllers, we got explore, yeah, tutorial, hello, and I bet you now if I go to hello, explore, hello. So I guess I don't actually need the, hold on, I don't think I need this at the end. Where'd it go? And I want to go to hello. Unclosed string literal. All right, let's see what's going on here. It's probably because I didn't finish the tutorial. Back. Maybe I do need it actually. Compilation error. Map static resources, assets file. Did I do something here that I shouldn't have? Might have. Maybe I don't want it linting. Because I don't actually know what it's changing in here. Oh, yeah. I don't want it doing that. Let me uninstall this Java stuff. That's weird. So it's oh, there's like a save without go. Where is it? Run, start debugging. There's like a save without linting. Save without formatting this code. Control Shift P. Control Shift P. Command Shift P. Save without. Bet that's gonna work because I think it just yeah. Oh, cannot inherit. What did I do? What did I do? No, I don't want you to do that. Save without. Control K. KS. So if I go, whoa, not that. No. Okay. What's going on here? Compilation error. Cannot inherit Java lang module layer controller. There must be something in here. Maybe it is. Hold on. Hello? Nope. Controller contains an action. Home controller cannot inherit. But what if I remove this? That shit works now. Ugh! Okay, I need to get rid of this. Where's all the Java stuff? Uninstall. Uninstall. Restart extensions. Stop linting. No, it's not Markdown. Maybe that's why. Java. No. Okay, that's better. Maybe? Hold on. It's not even going to show it now. End of input expected. Hold on. Hello. And then I want to go here, back to here, and now I want to comment it out. Really? Cannot inherit. What if I go back to tutorial? Like tutorial still works. Oh no, even tutorial's not working now. I broke some stuff, y'all. Oh, let's go back. What did I break? Is it maybe some stuff going? Oh, formatting completed. Oh, that's output, not terminal. Oh, here we go. Internal bug tutorial. Internal server error. Let's shut this down, run it again. Weird. Okay. Is this back? Compilation error. Did I do a bad thing? Hello, Scala HTML. Did I do a thing that I should not have done? Undo all the stuff I changed in home controller. What did I change in home controller? I think it's because it wasn't seeing this as Java. Weird. All right, let's do this again. Let's redo what we did in here. So here's what we did in here. Okay, views. Is this all? Hold on. Okay, views. Oh, my errors are gone now. Hold on, let's see. I'm still getting a compilation error. Weird. Views HTML. Hello, render. Hello, Scala. Render. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna have to undo this again, I guess. This is the right way though, right? Yes. Use HTML return. Okay. Hello. I'm gonna comment that out if I can. I bet you I can't. Whatever. Just delete it. It is unhappy with me. Seems like VS Code added some weird imports. Yeah, it did. Way to go. Oh, I see. Hold on. Weird. Interesting. So if you didn't catch that, chat, what has happened was VS Code added some weird stuff into here that actually broke things. But now, routes get slash, no, I want slash hello. Hey, there we go. And my good VS Code friend is fixing that. All right. And super wonky. but it looks like it's fixed. So hello world is there. And now if I go hello world. Okay, weird. So note to self, don't maybe use the stuff that it says to use, question mark. I feel like that actually worked against us. Okay, so let's go back to our tutorial. We're right here. Okay, so we did that. And now we got this, define a route. We did that. Customize the greeting. So, fun fact, you don't actually need to do it this way. You can remove that whole thing from there. It's like, which makes sense. As part of the final part, we'll modify the hello page to accept an HTTP. Oh, I like that. String name, that's super simple. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I might like Java. Name. Oh, let's go. Okay. Route string at the end of hello. Uh-oh. Oh, I see why we kept that now. Do you need to do name string? Yeah, I guess so. Excuse me. Name equals my name. Oh yeah, I needed to update the actual. Hello, insert a new line at the top on that line. Name string. I know you should type these things, but not bothered. Okay, so I'm gonna add a new line at the top. String, so that's gonna pull in the string. And then add name. Oh man. Oh man. Do I need to wrap that on anything? Nope. Okay, let's refresh this. Oh, all right. Render can be applied to given types. What did I do? Maybe I need to put that inside somewhere. All types will be declared. Okay, so we did that. Hello. In the twirl templates, insert a new line at the top of the file. On that line, and an add directive that declares the name parameter and its type. At name. Open browser. Oh, clear someone's open line number. Oh, oh, geez. Okay. Yes, is that what it was? Yeah, it was. Okay, good. There was an error that was meant to be there. Keep reading next time, Andrew. Play response, half layer to fix the compilation error. Modify hello so that it includes the name parameter when rendering the view. Oh. Java. Oh, weird. What? Java guide? Hello? I feel like that's awful. Modify the hello action. Name parameter when rendering the view. Hello, name. Hold on. So this is what it's saying to do. Route. Is it routes? No, it's in my controller. Hello, name, render name. So I just need to put it in here. This seems weird. This is an odd addition, unless I actually do need to include some of that stuff. Hey, let's go. So this is weird. So this doesn't actually make any sense. This should actually be... I'm going to do a PR against this right now. Can I do a PR against this? Where are the docs? Oh, I guess it's right here. Yeah, because that was right? Am I right there? Should I do a PR against that? Maybe we'll save that for later. But we're in here. We got it working. So let me fix the linting on this stuff. But I mean, it works. It's good. And I think that's the end of the tutorial. Nice. So this is super simple. I actually am kind of a fan. I am very here for this, actually. Well done, maintainers of this framework. And there's a lot of people using this too. Hold on, let me show you. So play framework. No, not play battlesnake. Play framework. Like a lot of people that you've heard of before too. So like it's hidden down here, but like EA, The Guardian, I don't know what EER. Oh, they did a case study. Verizon. Oh, these are all ones that did case studies. iHeartMedia. Excuse me, LinkedIn. What's LinkedIn using this for? Lightbend. Placements really unique needs. turned to play a component of Lightbend platform. What's Lightbend? Build, operate, and secure distributed applications. Interesting. I mean, not super important for us right now, but anyways, I love this. I think this is amazing. And we're going to play with this, actually. We're going to play with this with our feature flags. Okay, so phase 1 complete. We have this in here. Now, let's head over to DEVCYCLE.com. Log in. So we've got this. It's up and running. It's working. We're there. It was easy. I mean, I know we're 1 hour 45 in, but it was still easy. Create a new feature, code elaboration. No, I want to do a new one. I got a bunch of projects I need to clean up. Let's just do a new one called does it toggle. Key HDB. We'll turn on HDB. No, we won't. No. Oh, I already have it. Does it toggle? Where? Oh, does it toggle? There we go. What do I got in here? Oh, create a new feature. Let's call this one release. We're going to create a string variable. We're going to call this name. Name. Create. Okay, so we've got the string variable here. Amazing. Let's go down to, so we're going to do development environment. We're going to scroll down to code sample. And I've never got to go into Java before. Java open feature. All right, so show installation instructions. Does this give it for open feature or just, is this may be specifically for open feature. Oh, it is specifically for open feature. Okay. Use JavaScript SDK in your Maven project. I don't think I need that. Implementation. Maven. Palm XL. Let's see what we can do here. Java SDK. Where am I actually? Is it the build SBT? Where am I pulling these things in here? XML. Is it here? Install routes, logs, project, build properties, plugins, SBT, project target. And it's not in there. Let's go look in the docs. And I'm gonna look for Maven. SBT uses Maven Central. Deploying your application, publishing, managed dependencies. All right, Scala version. Dependencies. I'm just gonna search dependencies. Oh, I think this is it. Library dependencies. Dependency injections with play. Okay, here we go. Separate your component's behavior from dependency resolution. Once declare the dependencies. SBT dependence. Oh, was it? Did I miss it? Did I literally go right by it? Probably did. It's right there. We'll really use managed dependencies. So fine range of unmanaged dependencies can be simpler when starting. Okay. Unmanaged dependencies. Nothing to add to use unmanaged, although you could change the configuration key. Hey, casual. Hey. Oh, managed application dependencies. Yeah, that's it. Unmanaged. Okay. Unmanaged dependencies variables. Create a lib directory in the root of your add jar files to that directory that automatically be added to the application class path. There's not much else to it. I think that's it. Yes. I'm assuming this is what I want to do. Am I root? Okay. LIBS. No, that was a file. LIB. Delete. LIB. Add jar files directly. All right, let's go over here and look in here. Java dependencies. The diff cycle. There we go. I feel like this is actually what I need. I feel like I'm not actually downloading things. Oh, SBT. Sick. Let's go. Do I just add a new line? I'm going to assume yes. Play framework. Did that reload? BT run. I have no idea if this is actually working. Oh. I think. Yes. Maybe. Oh, we got errors. We've got errors. Java base method invoke. Feel like this should actually be combined. That's what I get for never touching Scala or Java. Bet you if I remove this, it's going to be fine. Hooah! Errors gone. Errors disappeared. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah. So how do you combine? Library dependencies. SBT dependencies. Adding dependencies to Scala project. Do I need to add? Is it multiple lines? How to load Scala dependencies. In build SBT. No, maybe it is maybe it is its own line. To add multiple managed dependencies, define them as a sequence. Okay. Or if you bring in one line at a time, separate each line by a blank line. Oh, so maybe I just needed it to be a blank line. Interesting. Let's see if that actually did it. Cancelled. Will this work? The real question. Casual Economist, how's your Friday going? I'm not seeing errors now. Oh, lots of errors. I did everything right. What's going on? JSON requires Jackson data bind version 2.14. Serialization. Stack trace last compile run found Jackson data bind version 2.15. So this might be a DEVCYCLE play. Java version is play only supports. Maybe this is because I'm using 21. This problem's a bit tough. Maybe it's because I'm using Java 22. Maybe it doesn't all play well together. How do I downgrade my Java version? Downgrade Java version. No, it's not about Java. It's not about Java 22. Good to know. So that's okay, because what we're going to do in the meantime, So DEVCYCLE looks like there's a bug, but there is a Java SDK. All right, and I think let's go find this one in Maven Central. OpenFeature. Dev OpenFeature. Kotlin SDK, Java SDK. Okay. We're going to see if this will work. So DEVCYCLE is some sort of a bug. But OpenFeature may work. Which is fine. Like, this is just it's part of the learning process here. Okay. No big bugs. Downloading. Fetching. Okay, good. So it's definitely a DEVCYCLE issue, which is good to know. So we've got some issues with play with the DEVCYCLE SDK. Make sure this is reloading. Amazing. Okay, and Java SDK dependencies. Yes, yes, yes. Example, map string my flags. Yes, let's literally pull all of this in. Okay, let's actually go into our controller, into our hello controller, and we're actually gonna do some things in here. We're gonna do some stuff. Mastering hash map. So we're gonna create a flag. So we're gonna create a flag name. Variant on, variant off. Oh, hello world. Flag builder. Default variant on, true. OpenFeature API, in memory my flags, great. Client get client, and we're gonna look for hello world. It's kind of like middleware, like a little bit of middleware. If flag value, is that the right? I feel like. Can you 404? Play 404. Play framework 404. Love that I like default to doing this. Let's literally go into the play. Hold on. And I'm in the right one now. 404. Is there a route? Play. What is play? Common topics built in HTTP filters, static assets, expanded with modules, contributing, play. What about routes? Just routes. Route files. Oh no, it's not routes, it's controllers. What if I want to return something that's not okay? Oh, sick. There's server exams group various results. Oops, internal service error. Let's do that. Oh, wait, maybe this page not found. Yes. Okay, let's do this. I like that. Just that's super simple. Oh, hold on. Return okay. Hello world. Page not found, not found. Yes. Okay, so what this should do now is if I set this to false, if I set this to off, this should now return compilation error. Cannot find symbol. Class map. I have a feeling this is an import issue. Click here for Java docs. Yeah, I have a feeling that I have to import this map thing. They're just not giving me the example. Do they do a tutorial in Java? Java. Let's Spring Boot, Open Feature, import. Create a Java class. Do they not do map in here? Well, I guess they don't even do map in here. That's so interesting. Just the default Java SDK is map. Yeah, map is part of the... Do I need to import? I feel like I need to import all of these things. Import. Maybe this will do it. Oh, hold on. Internal server error. Cannot find symbol class map. What if I just keep doing imports? I love that I'm just like, it's literally just continuing to import. I don't even need some of these in here. Just actually do it. Hold on. It doesn't even use some of these. Okay, the error is gone. Compilation error? Nope, still the compilation error there. Import. Oh, it doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. Refresh. Flag does not exist. Import. Client. Flag. Ooh, let's see. OpenFeature-compliant client does not exist. Am I expecting that it's all just going to automatically be seen? Why is it not giving me the import statements? That seems odd. Implementation DEVCYCLE OpenFeature SDK. Here for Java docs. Oh. I guess it's just this one. Import dev. Does the map, hash map stuff, is that all? Hold on. Flag. Provider's memory. Okay, yeah, so a lot of this stuff is actually coming from... So that stuff's all coming from there. No, so that's not coming from there. So we actually want to grab flag from an in-memory provider from import. I wish it was viewing this. I feel like it's all Java play MVC. Is it literally coming in from here? Like, do I have to go and do this? Dev open feature. This memory flag. What about, yeah, what if I pull in all of this? Oh, okay, hold on. Dev SDK. Let's just go this and see if that doesn't turn that off. I'm pretty sure that's what I need to do, but we'll see. Nope. Oh, yes. Okay. Refresh. Okay, still an error. Dev OpenFeature SDK does not exist. Maybe just OpenFeature SDK. OpenFeature SDK does not exist. There's something here that like import com OpenFeature and then do this. What if I do this? It's like figuring out how it's defined. I also think that I need to do this. I could just like, I could be completely wrong. No, it does. It definitely needs to define it. So Java doc, all classes, package, oh, use maybe? Dev OpenFeature SDK. It feels like that's what it should need, but maybe not. package, overview. Yeah, this is weird. Hold on. Let me Java doc. Hold on. Okay, let me go back to the tutorial here for Spring Boot. Basic knowledge of Java. Should have had that. Spring initializer, dependencies, Maven Gradle, all this stuff. Dev open feature. Oh. Okay. Should have just read this. Play open feature API. It was. What? Yeah, okay. Like, what? Was I maybe not doing that? Hold on. Dev open feature SDK does not exist. What the heck did I install then? Hold on, let's go over to the SBT. Dev open feature Java SDK. Java SDK. Okay, that worked. And then flag. So then I'm just going to do this. This. I don't know if that's good practice, but we're going to do that. That's weird. So they've changed some things in there. Okay, so it's still not getting that. But I did want to go into my docs. No. Wait, what? Hold on. Java SDK. Dependencies. Maven. Gradle. Open feature SDK. Dev open feature SDK. Can I not do what I want to do? I guess not. SDK. So it's not even finding the SDK. Like it doesn't even see that. Open feature SDK does not exist. But what does it show me here? Dev open feature SDK. Java. So what are you doing here, Java? Did the wrong dependency. What did I add? I guess. But wait, why is it giving me that then? Let's hold the phone. Specifics, Java SDK. Weird. All right. So wait, have they deprecated this one? Is this an old one? 1 year ago? Vendor agnostic. Okay, good to know. See, this is why I'm glad you're here, Matthias. Matthias. Glad you're here. So I would not have been able to figure this out. Okay, let's turn it on. Alright. It's running Java controller, SDK. Okay, I think this will work now. Added the wrong. Isn't that always the way? Yeah. And then we need to update that to a play example. Who uses Spring? Hey, oh. Cannot find symbol flag. Yes. This. Let's see if this works. Oh, wait, what? No. Import. Dev open feature providers does not exist. Do I actually need to install that? Is that separate? No. Dev open feature SDK providers memory. Oh, I see. should work now. Page not found. Let's go. All right, there we go. So page not found is what we wanted because we turned it off. So if we now go into our code, and if I now change this to default on, it will show us hello world. Nice. Okay, so now let's go deeper into here. So providers, get instance, my provider. So I could build a provider. We already have one. Targeting rules. This is what I care about though. Set value on the global context. Okay, nice. API attributes, region, product, email. Set a value invocation. Request context. A client context, request context, client set evaluation context. Okay. API client set a value to the client to the global context. We're going to do this. So we have our API, we have our provider. Home feature API, we already did this. Hash map. We already did that. I already declared my flags. API attributes. Okay, good. So here we're setting the region. Immutable context API attributes. API. Okay, good. Boolean get flag, and then I need to do request context. I think it'll automatically feed over that context, and then I can go in my evaluation logic. Does it give me information on evaluation logic, extending, providers, targeting? Get env. API to put region. Yeah, that'll work. API. Okay, we're just gonna assume this will. Okay, and then I want to do Java. Yes. Okay, Java. I think I need to go into. So this is the evaluation context. But how do I set targeting rules in Java? Open feature. Spec. Evaluation context. Oh, no, we wanted tutorials. Java. Hello, client, get client. If client get Boolean value welcome message. Do we actually show us where to define this? Oh, because this is using flag D. Yeah, how do you... Yeah, this will be the interesting question. So default variant and then targeting rules. Targeting. Provider hook. Maybe there's a test in the actual. Go to GitHub. I need to lean forward a little bit. All right. Repositories, Java SDK, Java. Okay. SDK release. Are there docs in here about this? Is this all stuff that I saw before? This is all flag related stuff. Java docs. Targeting. Hooks, domains, eventing, shutdown. No. Look at all those contributors. We are looking for source, provider's memory, context evaluator. Is there tests in here? I feel like this will help us. Context evaluator. Has nobody done this before? Context evaluator. Let's do context. Evaluation context. No, because I do that down there. Is it literally called evaluation context? That can't be right. No, that's not right. I wish that there was an example of that. But I guess you're not normally using the in-memory provider, but still. Context evaluator. Flag in-memory provider. Provider evaluation. Get context evaluator. Context evaluator. No. SDK. So it's not providing us anything in there. Dev, Java, main. Ooh, tests. No. Oh, hold on. String value as string. Literally having to read through tests to figure out how to implement this. But it's all like testing logic. Hash map string value is not what I'm looking for. What if I just look for like map? Map. What did I think? What was it called? Hold on. Let me go back for a second. Like, this is all bonus stuff. Like, we have a feature flag working there, but I want to actually test out the I want to test out the actual logic here. So, providers, in-memory provider, evaluation context, initialize evaluation context, double evaluation context event, context evaluate flag not found, value reason, map, hash map, this flags, update flags, update flag, variant reason. What was the actual, was it called context evaluator? Evaluation context. Evaluation context, context evaluator. Ugh. Context evaluator. Context evaluator. Is this it? Ah, yes. Default variant, internal, external. This is like a test, I'm pretty sure. Default variant build. Yeah, so this is what it is. Variant. Flags put, flag builder. Okay, sick. So this is what I'm looking for. And build. Okay, so evaluation context. Get evaluation, get value, get variance, get internal. Okay, get value for customer. Get value. Oh, yeah. So get value, and we wanted this to be region. And then we wanted it to be get variance, get default variant. Okay, yeah. And then we want to return off. Okay, so, and then otherwise I should return on. So my default variant here. So default variant here is that my middleware should let you just go through unless new value get value equals if value false. Evaluation context. If, okay, I think I just need to figure out the actual like structure of this. New value, false get value customer. So I think, oh, it's return string. No, I don't think this is returning string. I think this is returning Boolean. No. Return Boolean. Is string coming from here? No. I'm just going to say Boolean and assume that this is going to interpret what I mean. Get flag default variant. If new value. Yeah, what is this? Okay, so I understand flag context evaluation. So flag is this, yes. Or is it my flags? Context evaluator flag. False. New value false equals evaluation context. I'm just going to assume that it's actually the value is US East 1. I'm going to assume this may be wrong. We're going to see what happens. It might break for all I know. Okay, it did. Method, configure provider. Cannot find symbol. It's because I think it's because I did this. Or if I bet you if I remove this, it'll work fine. Because I'm messing up the context evaluation stuff. Oh, no, maybe not. What did I break? Hold on. Non-X zero code, and hello. Cannot find symbol. String. Can I? Hold on. Let me comment this out. Comment. Hoping that comments it out. Build SPT, that's fine. Routes, fine. Hello Scala, fine. Where did I define this stuff? So this may have broken. Let's see. Okay, so that's back. So that's actually what broke it. Evaluation context. I don't think I actually have evaluation context in here. Put region. It's gonna break again. Java string get env. Oh, whatever. No, put region. I'm just gonna put the actual region in here. So that's trying to pull from somewhere. I think that'll work. API attributes. Oh, I guess I need to define that. Java, 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 targeting. Set a value. Immutable context, API attributes, request attributes, API attributes, Java. I don't even think they use targeting rules in there. Set provider and wait, new in memories. That's all the Java stuff there. That's fine. Set new provider. But if it's going to create this, use location IP address, some feature targeting in the evaluation context. Oh. Oh, sick. That's not ideal that it doesn't show you that. Get instance. Okay, that's good. Oh, and then I probably could have got. Come on, guys. What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? My global key. Right, we're gonna call this region and US East 1, US East 1. Get Boolean values, static client side, circular structures. Do we actually give us evaluation API in here? Java. Creating client flag evaluation. No, it's not going to give us that. Let's see if this worked though. Okay, that's good. Okay, page not found. So now, if new value equals this, get variant off, otherwise get on. That's one, last one. No, so now it's throwing an error. Evaluation context, if new value. Explain this to me. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna do like some. I go and check something out. I haven't done Gemini a lot, so Gemini. Oh, that's another thing. I was trying to do this for another thing I was doing today. Explain this code from OpenFeature. Okay, so I want to specifically explain this slide. Specifically explain this slide. New values, and essentially it's comparison to determine if news, let's break it down. Left side, new value 1 creates a value object with a string US West1 as value. Object is likely part of the open feature framework and likely value content, get value region. Okay, region, yes. Equals, okay. So this what is the value though? Equals get value region. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. This should be my logic is off here. So this is the default variant is on. So it should be returning on now. Unless, hold on, what did I do? Where did I set my add region, US East 1. Yeah, so this should be returning. Let me printify this. Prettier terminal. I don't install Java stuff. I want to know. Oh, unable to correctly evaluate flag with hello world. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, that's right. Yeah. So I actually have my default status of off. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, yeah. So this is returning false. This is doing exactly what it should be doing. Amazing, because it can't actually evaluate. Sick. Okay. Unable to correctly evaluate the hello world. Java Boolean cannot be cast. Fine. Let's go string then. Oh wait, what? Boolean? Boolean? So that was actually doing exactly what it should have done. Oh, sick. Okay. Use plus one. So it should be on. If new value US West 1, and then what did I change this to? US East 1. So hold on. So it should return off. Hey, let's freaking go. So this is like a full implementation of a feature flag management system if you're watching. So, and it's all open feature compliance. This is very cool. So basically we've got our different routes here and we're kind of defining like some middleware in here. So I bet you I could pull this outside of this too, but I want it to run on every single, yeah, I'm gonna pull this in out. No, I'll leave it in here just for us to see. So basically what's happening here is we've created a hello world flag and it's a Boolean flag. We've got two variants on and off. Our default variant is on. Now we've got this context evaluator, which is basically going in here and it's saying if, so we're setting an evaluation context on region. So if the region is equal to US East 1, it's gonna not show it. So it's gonna be middleware for that. Otherwise, it's gonna return the default variant, which is on. And then here we're actually setting the region to US East 1. So I can, if I change this to US West 1, last one, it's gonna update now. So that's like a pretty, I mean, I do love me some middleware. Excuse me. I want to see now if I actually install these Java things. Install. Because it installed a bunch of stuff in here before. Quick fix. Good, that fixed that. Did some linting. I mean, I'm install metals. Install metals. Metals Java. Oh, I see. Get started. Metals. Because that's where we're mostly Scala. Uninstall this again. Uninstall. Restart extensions. Metals. Lots of downloading happening right now. Love it. All right, let's go back over here and see. Good, we get format, love it. Nice, there we go. No more errors as well, which I love. So like this is pretty fantastic. Now there's some other stuff that I really haven't played around with, to be honest with you. So within here we talk about, so the Spring Boot stuff. I don't think this is all talking about non in memory, and like we're just kind of testing. Flag D is like an actual like sort of feature flag management like tool, but it's not necessary. Let's go back into the Java SDK. Okay, that worked. Yeah, I mean, this is all here. So we looked at providers, which you build as a vendor, so this isn't super important here. Targeting rules, we looked at this, which, although this is not actually, this is intense. Like this is actually showing you an actual example, but not super helpful. Hooks. Look here. Add hooks, example hook. Logging. Client is bound to default provider. Feature scope. Clients could be assigned. Oh, logging. That's all unrelated domains. Not really important for us. Events. Allow you to react to state changes in the provider or underlying flag management systems. Flag definition changes. Provider readiness. Oh, that's nice. Client instance get client. I wonder if this will work actually. We're gonna go into here. Get instance. Hold on. Get instance get client. So this is gonna be client. On provider. Can you like console log? Log? Okay, let's see if that works. Where'd my terminal go? Terminal, new terminal. Scroll down. Application started. Refresh. Oh, logger. Cannot find symbol. Logger. Logs play. Framework. Oh, you gotta import it. Crafting loggers. Creating loggers, you know, apply factor method name. Import play logging. Logger, get class, constructor logging applications, use a single logger per class, using the class name. There's also logging treated as supposed as a protected valid logger, import play, my class extend logging. You're on Scala page. Oh, I am in Scala page. Thank you. Logging. Oh, I see. Logging. Logging API. Import logger class. Get logger. Logger factory. Command factory logger debug. Access logger. Try final logger debug. Name goes logging API supports this with the factory method that takes a class logger. Get logger. Final logger, access logger, logger factory. Let's see. But okay. Guess I can do this at the top. I mean, I don't hate this access logger. Do I need to? then just call access logger or logger access. Unclear. Common strategy for logging is to use a distinct logger per class using the class name. Logger to write statements. So this class. I'm just gonna do this. See what happens. Yes. Logger error. Logger debug. Logger debug. Logger debug. Testing. 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 All right. Terminal. New terminal. Java. Ooh, Java C non-exit code. Where did we go? 9,000. Compilation error. Logger. Implicitly declared classes are a preview feature and disabled by default. Use enable preview. Enable implicitly. Logging. Play APIs for Java Scala. Since programming logging. Using loggers. Okay, good. Get logger of this class. Log some debug info. This is less clear than it probably should be. Is it inside the controller? Bet you it is. Final our settings to go inside the public class. Yeah. Just seeing that. Not after the imports. Why am I getting this statement? Debug. It goes inside public class. Oh, I see. Maybe I can't use it here. Maybe I can't use it here. It's got to go inside class. All of these things are making much more sense. This get class. This. Hello. Hold on. What do I have it as? Oh, duh. Okay. The variable is just called log. Will this work? I don't know. We'll find out. Hey, let's go. Oh, yeah, that's right. Name equals world. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm not getting any changes there, which is good. But now, if I change... I wonder if this will actually work. I don't know if it will. Ooh, very true, very off. Should show testing. Yeah, so it won't do the thing that I want it to do, which is fine. It's not found. Yeah, so it's obvious. This is in memory, which makes sense. But either way, this is how you could do it on provider configuration. Yeah, so this would be like if the provider sent a message to this. I didn't know if it would work, but I was curious. Names need to fit. Either way, I mean, not. I might not see debug logs by. Oh, might not see debug logs by default. Let's see. Error logs maybe. I don't know if it's actually going to show. Let's see. I don't think so. I don't think it's even going to show. Yeah, I don't think it'll show. I wonder. Hold on, me. Let's just go here. Render. Let's see if that logs. Oh, unreachable statement. Log error. Why is that unreachable? Yeah, same thing. Unreachable error. Maybe it's because it's after the return. Yeah, that's what it is. Error. Okay, good. That's good. It's returning an error. Controller name. Okay, good. It's not returning this text, but that may just be a me understanding thing. Okay, so now log error should be there. Let's get rid of these. And let me clear this. Clear. And refresh. And yeah, I'm not. Yeah, oh, that's right, because it's by change. Oh. Yeah, because it's in memory, so it wouldn't even get that until it's. Yeah, so it's fine. It's just the nature of the way that I'm using the. That I'm using this as an in memory. It's like a test controller, so I'm not surprised. But I do like this. I like the error logging. Okay, I'm not like terribly frustrated by this framework, which I thought I would be actually. I wonder if it does. Hold on, I want to see if it does debug. Default. Save render name. I want to change it up here. On. Does it do debug? It doesn't. What are the different logs that I can do? Debug, markers, info. Info? I wonder if I'll do info. Probably not. No. No, it didn't do info either. Show info. Logging patterns, play error, throwable T, no, show, how do I show, debug logs? Show debug logs. By default. Ah, here we go. Nice! Stack Overflow to the rescue. If you're using fake application. Oh, let me start my play environment with the following command. No, I don't want to do that. In project build Scala. And test, even just on test. Play logger source. Logging is disabled in test mode. Really create a logging configuration file. Running tests. No. No, that's fixed now. Configure logging level. Nice. Oh, sick. Info. Ah, debug. There we go. Application comp. That makes sense. Now I should get info. Do I get info? Depreciating has no effect. Enabled filters. Good, I like that. Logger. Logging filter. So that has no effect anymore. This old docs? That is old docs. Info. Configuring logging. Warn security logging. Provide default logging configuration file. Tofu, I am afraid. I 100% am. This was definitely, well, I shouldn't say that. I am afraid only now because I'm going deeper into the framework. It may be. Let's see, security file. Welcome, by the way. Welcome to the stream. We're going to be finishing up in a couple of minutes, but thanks for being here. Peco logging. Come to Apache Peco logger. Org.apache Peco logger to info. Logger? I think we're in Peco. I don't actually know. Are we Peco or there was two of them? Try play 3. Yeah, we're Peco. Configuring logging. Oh, there's literally documentation on it. Therapy is always a good step though, Tofu. Using external. What's going on? Where am I doing this? I don't even know where I'm going into to use this. It's not a big deal. The error log works. The error log works. So filters, use a log back configuration file instead. So I would need to use that configuration file. Oh, literally there's the main configuration file. Filters. It literally was in here. What is Framework 2? So Play is a web framework built on Java and Scala. So it's a web development framework. If you like Java, then this is the framework for you. And I've literally just been adding feature flags to it. And I've been playing around with some framework specific stuff, but like I kind of like it. I gotcha. I am definitely not a Java guy. I had never touched Java until today. Today was my first experience touching Java. I've heard of Clojure, but what does Clojure look like? Oh, that's not what I'm looking for. Clojure. Lisp. Dialect of Lisp. Reference material. Reader. Let's look at a Hello World. Hello World. No, I just want Hello World. Yeah, that seems kind of nice. JVM Lisp. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I print in Hello World. I mean, that's pretty easy. I like that. I'm discovering all these things about JVM too. Like, it's very interesting. I've never been in the Java world, but I like it now. Although logger error, yeah. I'm here. Yeah, I gotta say, like, honestly, this is probably the best experience that I could have hoped for. I like it, just so you know, Tofu, if you're looking at this, so this is the entire framework. So this I installed, this came with VS Code. This was built in, like this, this is basically what I did today, was I installed a couple of things, which was not actually hard either, by the way. And then this was really all the code that I added, which is just like basically setting some feature flags and then evaluating some feature flags. But like views were here, super awesome, really easy to add, like route parameters, like everything, just like super, like route setup stuff. Everything was just super smooth, super smooth. Yeah, very similar, very similar, I think. Am I doing .NET next? .NET Core MVC. Does MVC still have a place? Yes! Yes it does. Blazor. Blazor. Is Blazor another .NET MVC? Build client web apps with C#. What is my programming home? My programming home is the Tall stack. I freaking love this stack. I build all my side projects in this. It's amazing. It's PHP, but I love Laravel. It's super awesome. It's like Tailwind, Alpine.js, Laravel, and Livewire. I love this stack. It's so smooth. It's like you never need to leave. I did a Clojure script Alpine.js hybrid. Really? Very cool. So what's cool is, like, if you're watching this stream right now, actually every Friday I'm here same time. So I do like from 1 to 3 Pacific time, because I'm based in like North America's West Coast. And I always do a new language. So what have I done so far? We're not done, by the way, we're not done with play, but yeah, I've done YouTube Studio, playlists. Does it toggle? Yeah, 26 videos I've done. Yeah, so I did Goravel, so Golang and Laravel, like a Laravel Golang hybrid. I worked with Typer doing a Python CLI app, Alpine.js stuff. I did a Kubernetes stream, 11D framework, Vue.js, just another PHP, Solid.js. These are older ones though. This year, yeah, so I did Chrome stuff, so just JavaScript, Mithril.js, which is really cool. Do F# for work enclosures, my favorite for the past. F#. What is F# hello world like? F# hello. Aha, what's FP? Oh, functional programming. No, not really. To be honest with you, I don't actually understand the difference between a lot of these. I'm like let's consider me to be a novice programmer at best. But yes, F# tutorial, download and install .NET. Oh, is F# .NET? Cool. Run your app, .NET run, hello. Wait, what? Oh, create your app. .NET new console. I love that. Interesting. Service.NET. This is the thing I don't understand. Like, everything's Java, everything's .NET, like everything is everything. Everything's everything. And I'm kind of here for it. Can you do like F#? What do you use? F# is used for what? Practical code, web API, desktop, IoT, gaming. Everything is .NET. What is the F# language used for? Desktop, mobile, web. What is C# used for? Everything. I love it's all used for everything. I kind of love that. Oh my goodness. I love it. All right, let's close down some of these windows, Maven. So to Matthias, who's been here the whole stream, the kind of maintainer of Play, I'm here for it. It's easy. It was easy to use, like little idiosyncrasies because I don't know Java. And like I'm just making like rookie programming mistakes, like putting things after the end of a function. But I actually like it. Like I was surprisingly surprised by how easy it was to use. It made this process so smooth. I also just love web development, so I find web development so much easier. And so like anything that follows like a web development paradigm and like MVC especially, I find it easy to wrap my brain around just because I feel like I've been doing this for a while. But genuinely, this is a very, very cool project. I'm only bummed that the DEVCYCLE SDK didn't work. And so I'm going to talk to my team and see what's going on. It may be a Play framework thing. It may be a DEVCYCLE thing. I'm not sure. I'm going to pass it on to my team though and see, but I'm a big fan. I'm a very, very, very big fan of this. So Tofu, since you're still here, I need an F# or a C. Actually, I don't know. Does OpenFeature, Java, Python, Web, iOS? I guess we don't. Do we have .NET? Oh, we do have .NET. Okay. C#. Yeah, .NET. Okay. So what's a good .NET framework that I should use? Should I do .NET MVC? Should I do, like, what should I do? I need a good .NET framework that I can explore next week. And then you can come and you can laugh while I'm here. Technically, I mean, I have a feeling they're cross-compatible. Am I right in that? I don't know. You answer my question. There is no, like, there's no technically, I don't think there's actually an F# SDK. They're both compatible with each other, but different paradigms. Maybe C# because it's like a good .NET MVC. Blazor? Is that one that you said? Is that what this? Yeah, maybe. Is Blazor a good one to start with? Create your app, run your app. Sharp can use regular .NET MVC if most F# people don't enjoy it. Okay, so yeah, would this be a good one to start with? Is you want to get backend .NET server, .NET MVC, .NET MVC. A design pattern. Ooh, design pattern. I want like a framework that I can use. .NET MVC frameworks. Oh, is it? Oh, so it's ASP. I don't even know what's going on. I don't even know what's happening right now. So, okay. Yeah, like, is ASP.NET? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. What is happening? What is happening? They do. So ASP is a .NET MVC. Am I right there? I'm going to assume I'm right. Either way, we're going to do .NET next week because I haven't played around in .NET. And now, thanks to Play, I have now conquered my fear of not Scala. I didn't really get into Scala. I did a little. I looked at Scala. I breathed in Scala's general direction. But I definitely use Java, and I'm feeling much better about Java. So I feel like it's now time to try out .NET. Yeah. So that'll be for next week, though. I'm going to look at this. I might do this ASP.NET thing. This seems gross-ish to me, but I feel like maybe that's just because I haven't looked at it. I got also down. Ooh, can I do it with VS Code? Ooh, we're going to play with it. We're going to do something in .NET. That's normal. I'm glad to know it's not just me. Does MVC still have a place? Angular. Yeah. Single page style. We'll see. We'll find some .NET thing to mess around with that doesn't freak me out too much. But I mean, I think for today, we're good. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are interested in finding out more about Play Framework, go check it out. It's literally just Play Framework. The amazing team behind it. I wonder if he's actually listed on. Does it say who's maintaining it now? Anyways, Matthias, I'm sorry, I'm probably butchering your name. But maintainer of Play is amazing. And you should definitely go check it out if you're looking for a Java framework to play around with, or you're looking for a Scala framework to play around with. Go check out Play. It is well maintained. It is a really, really good framework, and it just works. It just works. So with that, I think I'm gonna call it. We've been on for a little over 2 hours now, and I think people are probably losing the plot. But Tofu, thank you for tuning in for the first time. This is freaking awesome. I am so happy to have seen you even for the last couple minutes. But you've inspired the next stream, so it is gonna be not next Friday because I am flying back from that conference, but it's going to be the following Friday. So it'll be August let's pull up my calendar, August the 2nd. So it's going to be August the 2nd that we are back here. Oh no, not August 2nd. August the 9th. August the 9th, I'm going to be back here, 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern, like 10 p.m. Central European time. For another stream we're going to be exploring, I think .NET, but you never know. It could be something new. It'll be a lot of fun. But I think with all of that said, I am going to call it a day for today. Get a little bit more work done. If you are interested in checking out more about what we do, here is a place to find the DEVCYCLE Discord where you can get in touch with me if you want to say hello. If you have more questions or you have feedback that you want to give me that you don't want to give in chat right now, here's the place you can find me, bit.ly/DEVCYCLE Discord. My name's Andrew. I've been your host today for Does It Toggle, and we have answered the question, does Play toggle? Yes, it does. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Thanks so much for being here, and looking forward to seeing you around the DEVCYCLE community. Bye-bye.
Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do you do?
We gotta merge that PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay. We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral for the wrong reason.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
I can't.
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice. Use DEVCYCLE to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, rerolls. How do we make this into a dice pun?